purposely because of a video we saw online yesterday where one thing they call Bobrisky was referring to our reverend.
So guys, earlier today I made a statement about the Oba of Benin, and a lot of it did not find us.
Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel again. My name is Augusta Good. Thank you guys for stopping by to watch my video. If this is your first time of stopping by to watch my video, thank you. I so appreciate you. Thank you for stopping by. If you've been coming to watch my videos before, thank you once more for stopping by to watch this. They say Bobrisky does shit on market. He shit on market can use rice leaf, they clean ash. Bobrisky, when be one guy for Nigeria, when be say in a man, but in they like to follow us drag woman clothes. The guy they not only the cloth, oh, he they make up, in nails, everything, you know. The girl with the Nigeria, we don't know Bobrisky. Even Christian, pagan, idol worshiper, everybody for Nigeria, no, almost everybody. He might not say everybody. Almost everybody for Nigeria know Bobrisky. Bobrisky called they like this. One girl, one lady, what they call Ehi. Ehi, now interior decorator, instead see they build house, all those kind of something. Ehi, don't they a bit controversial for social media too? Like, you do this, you do that, relationship. She's a good businesswoman. She does her business very well. However, the only challenge where she get now relationship issue. She not ever did luck, or she never did lucky for relationship before. Like, she could not marry reach like 3 men now or so, where they don't know, or 2. I don't know. I'm not very sure. But I know say the main thing we make her dey controversial for social media na relationship matter, especially when she go dey date MC Olomo, where they say na correct Agberoski guy. Where be say they say he level and MC Olomo level not follow. Okay, now the introduction part is gone. Let me go to the main gist. Like, why are you saying all this? What's the main story? Can you give us this is the main story? The main story be say Bobrisky can carry a body. He can enter Edo State, our own Edo State. Hey, Edo no more say our Edo State. As he enter, yes, normal. Like the influencer when he big, always want to show people say, I did Edo State, oh, you know, the self level. Hey, I'm in Edo State, Edo, yeah, your girl is here, or your boy is here, or your shim is here, you know, that kind of something. Which was fine, we were fine with it. But the thing where Bobrisky cut out, what I say, shut up your mouth there. Where we can knock on for mouth, say, close your mouth. He say, as he they brag, as he they hail himself, as he they cruise, as he they form, he don't know how to do the thing. He can go talk, say, our Oba, uko akpolokpolo. Hey, our own Oba. The Oba will be say if you put leg for ground go shake. People go to tremble. Everybody go to shake. Oh, mon Oba ledo. He can talk say, but Bobrisky can put in maths. In maths, not be mouth. Maths. Talk say.
I had to disturb Benin. Oba of Benin. Baba enter. Hey, I don't enter. Come and marry me, safe, Oba.
Make Oba come marry or he won't marry Oba. Hey, he no fear. He no fear. He can't open his mouth up that kind of thing, you know. People go to feel say, why did so much noise for it? Don't stay waiting, safe. When I get to understand something, civilization don't come, I agree. But before civilization, Oba na next to God. For Edo State, Oba na next to God. Hey, if Oba say you are gone, you are gone. Forget your full generation. They go change them for your full generation. When you know, when Oba say you are gone, you are gone. Oba na person where they reverence. He get respect. So much high respect. Not be play. If you want to play, you want to cruise. You don't cruise with the Oba. Not even with the ships in the palace. You never even cruise with the small ships where they palace, make with them where they maintain. Now Oba no be all those ships where you they go follow, they do that your nonsense party for Lagos. It be like some people know they understand something. Edo no be Lagos. Civilization don't come with gree. But Edo State, their custom, their tradition, their culture, still there, oh. It's still there, oh. If you want to know, go to the palace. That palace where they near Ring Road side, where they pass, go a Kenwa Road. Go to the palace. What that mean? If you see something, what catch you are going to run away. Bobrisky no see what you go take cruise. You see the full Benin. You not see anything take cruise. You not go back market go show yourself. You not go to Benin market go show yourself. Wo pe zabayo. Kenwa Road dey tea. Wo na je na ye na wo. What any oba when they brag, they spread. Now you want to show yourself. Okay, man, not talk too much. Man, not be like, say, I got to calm down. Which level? I just tell you, man, calm down. Be like, say, that's how Bobrisky do the thing. They never tell her. They never tell her. When they call tell her, when she call see the thing, she call feed it, she call say, oh boy, bless her, I don't match line. They call tell her small. Say, bless her, I don't match line. If bless her, they call go invite some boys from those uppers and save your side. Send me their show. Bobrisky call look the thing, cause say, I shall tremble. What can tremble? What I'm rubber? What can tremble? You know, they say, when they type person that time, they won't want person that just say, if I told you, you go see Oba. Because not be now with television, everything they snap. You know they see Oba in here. What I'm rubber, you go see something talk. Yes. When they go tell you, say, if I hold you, you go see Oba. That means say, if you see Oba, your life will never be the same again. Bobrisky don't know. Even if you don't know, you're supposed to know that people monarch be this. I don't feel see any traditional ruler self. I don't feel see person wey be say he senior me. I don't feel use person papa take cash cruise. Then na Oba. If I ever call Tony Kabaka, we go understand because now level be all those ones. All of una they do na street urchins for different level. If not Tony Kabaka you call now, we would understand. Even if you can't even go above a little call Bobizwa, or you might tell you Bobrisky, I've been a Bobizwa. I know say na two names to resemble. If na Bobizwa you even call now, we go say okay, Bobizwa a known man we get big transport company. Then for Benin, we go understand. You know if you call the former state governor like Oshomole, Igbinedion, or Najena, you know. Now you call say now Oba be your mate. You not get fear, you not get respect. You not get respect. Now you say that but want to do this video, so make her calm down, make her calm down, make her see the end of the matter. Because I see how they show itself for inside moto. They show all the siren where they follow there for back. Say, big girl life, billionaire girlfriend, your papa. When I know I did joke, I'm not serious. You know, it's not fair. It's not fair. Okay, make her finish the story. So, last now, when they call those boys, when they call one Bobrisky, say Bobrisky, now Benin you do. If you never hear Benin City, you never hear Benin City. Small but mighty. It's city about a nice Benin City now. It's a small city, but it's a mighty city. Now Bobrisky called do video in the evening. That video, they say they shake. They shake. Many people have been nice. Watch the video. Watch the video.
Hey guys, it's your Bobrisky. And I'm happy to be in Benin. You guys are welcoming people. You guys are nice people and wonderful people. So guys, earlier today I made a statement about the Oba of Benin. And a lot of you did not find that statement funny. I know, I'm so sorry. I'm a jovial person. I play alerts. So I am here to apologize to the great Oba of Benin and to the great Palace of Benin.
As I did this video finish, and I tell us, we know where you did. You did GRA. We know the hotel where you lodge for GRA. We are coming for you. Hey! Let us say, if you know what's good for you, wash your tea. You know, sleep your. Carry your property. Keep work with Lagos. Go back to your Lagos where they come from. In Lagos, you can spread, you can brag, you can talk anyhow. As your mouth, they leak, as your unuson, they leak according to Tonto. You can brag there. But that your mouth, you have to control it when it comes to the place of the Oba of Edo State. You get to control your mouth. You go close down. When you know, before we know, somebody come out, call the video, say, Bobrisky not there with us again, no. He has been chased out of the state. Bobrisky took the 12 o'clock flight and is back to Lagos. Echo. Bobrisky has
have any connection with Bobrisky? On no account will she be here. She has already been sent out of the state. She took the 12 o'clock flight.
However, as they do that one, me that they know say James Bond 007, James Brown, go come talk here. Now James Brown can say, ooh, Bobrisky, me, I go at those stage, they not chase me out. They welcome me, they did this, they did that. But you go at those stage now, they use cane, they give you kitty, kata. You want to chill with the big boys in those stage, you behave. You respect at those stage, you don't come to those stage to chill with the big boys and then you misbehave.
I am seeing the news. Like, girl. Okay, the thing is that I entered Benin, Edo State. Everybody was happy. Nobody threw me out of the state. Now, my ex-auntie entered Benin. He has started apologizing from the minute he entered. Then, after 2 seconds, they throw him out. Jesus Christ. Seriously. He needs to learn how to talk. Because this is simple tradition. Respect tradition and they will respect you. As the princess of Africa, I know the ethnicity of all culture. Is it Benin? Is it Igbo? Is it Hausa? Messenger? Oh my God. No, I won't say too much. Come and learn from the princess of Africa. Come and learn how to respect
well, you're not. If you come to Edo State, you want to chill with the big boys, what can misbehave? What can behave? Sorry, what can behave? You have to behave. If you want to pop champagne in Edo State, you behave. When you're not, if you want to enjoy, Edo State is a very calm place, a nice place, a cool place, a lovely city. But if you want to enjoy Edo State, you have to respect. You have to respect the people who are in charge. Just Brown can do. I don't say Just Brown if I go for cause Bobrisky before. Cause say for Bobrisky. After that, other people come out with their own videos to say Bobrisky, what do you do? You know, enter.
Purposely because of a video we saw online yesterday, where one team they call Bobrisky was referring to our Reverend Monarch, the Oba of Benin. We do not condone such statements or comments from anybody, most especially someone that is of low class, that has no class. If they respect that person in Lagos, we don't in Benin. We are accommodating people who welcome visitors, but not to the detriment of our people. You cannot come and insult or throw words to our Oba Benin. We are kindly, I particularly, kindly advising Eyoze Ogbebo to take that thing back to Lagos. That thing she brought to Benin should be taken back to Lagos. We don't want to see her in that event today in Benin. We do not want to see her in that event today in Benin. If you dare us thinking that you are holding the event at the military base, hospital, airport road, we will surprise you. We will surprise you. I repeat, we will surprise you. Eyoze Ogbebo, you want to dare us, you want to try us and see. We do not accommodate bad influence into our society.
Let's come down and go from here. Bobrisky, in one way, I go blame him because he too free with his mouth, talk too much. When person they talk too much, they know when they talk what you're not supposed to talk. When you're not, you need to control your mouth, even if you be celeb, whatever you be. You don't need, not be your mouth, not being good. I'm not saying you want content. There are different ways. Learn, culture, tradition. People, they will not they play with their culture, not they play with their tradition. Muslims, now one people when I know say it is like that. When I go to Dubai, I say I won't go Dubai Zoo. For the gate, then they give me clothes to cover my body. For the gate, if you've gone to Dubai, you go to Dubai Zoo, you know what they talk. If not true, I've been a lie. Not be say I open body, I was even pregnant, safe. I was even pregnant with my third child or something. They give me clothes cover body. Every place gets in culture and tradition. If you're traveling to any place, state, country, wherever you go, first of all, do a research about those people. Even if we are in Nigeria, different places in Nigeria have the way they do their things. I grew up in Delta State, Warri to be precise. Efru gong. The guy they call Efru Juju. Not be everybody when they enter the Warri and know about Efru Juju. Efru Juju, then when I did Efru, it's alleged that they do human sacrifice. When we know whether not true, I've been a lie. Then I was small. But now waiting that they talk then. So if you be say you dey Nigeria, you dey maybe the northern part of Nigeria or the southern part of or the western part of Nigeria, you may not understand what's happening in that city except you ask questions. You fit just say, wait, not be from Lagos here they enter the Warri. No, they not they enter the Warri like that because different places in Warri have their different traditions and they do those things at different times. Even for the same Lagos there was a time they tell me say Ikorodu, or can they stay from main Lagos, we can go they stay in Ikorodu side. They say Ikorodu get one juju when they do, or one kind of festival something when they do. Where woman know they come outside, I don't know that true, I've been a lie. But now wait here here. What am I trying to say? If you're going to any place, be it city, town, country, region, try to know what that they take for them and what they not they take for them. May you know use yourself to do free sacrifice for them. So that you don't become a scapegoat, you have to know what those people accept and what they do not accept. Even for this UK where we do like this, so different region get different things when they do, different laws. I'm not talking about traditional stuff. Different laws where they govern them. If you're from, like now, if you're from England, they go Scotland, you get to check what it be their COVID regulation. It's different from Scotland regulation, different from England own, and England own, and Scotland own, different from Ireland. So if you are going to these places, you have to check what thing they happen here. So when you go worry, he not tell you, he will be say, yeah, be like what I don't know so. He not tell you say, they know you talk to a bar like that. And when you talk that word, he not tell you say, not post that video. You get luck. You really get luck. This video, not be just for Bobrisky, but now for everybody to learn. Mind what you say and how you do things. The other lady, remember one journalist who be say, na backyard and night, he say run come up for Nigeria. The only thing when he talk, he say they cash cruise. He be like say Bobrisky never become man or boy that time when that thing happen. He never be that cruise, he said make it cash. Now he said the girls are so beautiful that if Mohammed was to be alive and had seen one of these girls, he would have wanted to marry one of them or he would have married one of them, not verbatim. Now, wait till that person talk, now I carry and go outside till we talk today like this, so career end like that. Iran enter UK. When you are speaking, mind wait till you dey talk. Think before you speak. Don't speak before you think. Instead of you to talk so fast that you say what you're not supposed to say, calm down, pick your words, because your words are bonding. Your word, it go fit help you, it go fit buy you. When you're not, that's how I go talk a reach you. So you won't want. That's how you reach today. Make una learn from everything what we dey see for social media. Not be just for us to laugh, catch cruise, and just comment. It's good for us to learn from the incidents and good and the bad things when they happen for social media. Now, so I go talk and reach. Make una enjoy yourself and have a lovely day. Happy Sunday. Happy New Year. If I have not told you Happy New Year. And please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. They know they pay money, they do them. If you want to make a fry egg for you first before you go subscribe, tell me I go fry egg for you. But you got to subscribe. Thank you guys. Bye-bye.